Hello everyone, so we are back with another video. So we would be learning that how can we reduce the size of our Excel file. Sometimes when we work in MS Excel, our files due to number of sheets or huge amount of data gets large, due to which our files get hang or get problematic when saving or sending someone. So here you can see the size of this file is 202 kbs. So if your file, the size of your file goes in MBs, it makes trouble. What you have to do then is simply go here, the same file with number of sheets and data in it, file, save as. You have to save as, select destination, just change the save type. Here, Excel binary workbook, save in Excel binary workbook and save, close. So now you will notice that the size has been reduced to 193 kb. Similarly, if the huge the size of the file will be, according to that the size will be reduced to get out of any troubles while opening or processing the files. So this was very easy method to reduce the size of Excel files. If you like the video, then subscribe my channel and mention in comment section about your views. And also if you want to know anything, mention that also in the comment section. I will make that video for you. Thank you.